So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of the laser level with tripod, and I already opened a little bit of it, and it comes with this card. It comes with a nice velvet pouch, which is it feels very nice and soft. It comes with batteries, so this is how it looks like when you first get it. And it's very nice that it does because some of them don't. Here's the thing where you can place your phone or anything of that sort. And here's the level thing itself, which you can use this if you're measuring things like we need this for when we put a lot of paintings in our house and we can never like get it right and no one can ever keep it steady. And you know when you pull out a ruler and stuff, you never know if it's truly straight. With this, you'll know because it'll be on a tripod, so no one will be messing with it, and you'll know it'll be straight and everything. And this is the tripod. It's very small, sorry, and lightweight, which is convenient. So if you need it for work and stuff, it's not like carrying a lot of stuff. All this in general is pretty light, very light. So if you need to take this on the go or for use it for work, I would recommend this for y'all.